When I was at Disneyland, I got every single one of my Lyft rides from either the hotel to Disney to restaurants for completely free using a method I'm going to be teaching you today. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Xavier channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to get Lyft for completely free. If you don't believe that the method works, make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end, and then go ahead and leave a comment down below proving me wrong once you go ahead and download the Lyft app and try the method for yourself. But with that all being said, guys, let's just get right into it. But as always, thank you for watching. So to show you guys that this method is legit, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the Lyft app right now. As you guys can see, this is the actual Lyft app. If I go up, the Lyft app is right there. If I type in Lyft in the app store right here, you can see right here that the one that I have downloaded is the one in the ad. This is the legit one. I'll go ahead and hit the open button. No cuts. This is totally legit. And let's say, for example, I wanted to get a drive to my local gym. Let me just go ahead and push this button right here. And then as you guys can see, my Lyft is discounted by almost 50%. It would be $12, but somehow I've gained a discount for it to only be $6. And if I wait for 7 minutes, it would only be $5. I'm literally getting Lyfts for 50% off. And as you guys can see right here, it says you're saving 50% off up to $10, which honestly gets you pretty far. It cost me about 20 bucks to get a Lyft directly to my local airport, but it would only cost you $10 if you guys make sure to follow the method that I'm going to be giving you. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the very end. If we go up to the bottom right here, it says that not only am I paying with Apple Pay, but I'm also paying with Lyft Cash. As you guys can see right here, I have all of these coupon codes from Lyft themselves giving me 50% off for the next two rides. But not a lot of people know this, but Lyft themselves has a refer a friend option. So if I go to the refer a friend section right here, if I refer a driver to Salt Lake, I get 50% off of 2 rides. What this means is that when someone signs up for Lyft with my affiliate code, that means that they get 50% off of their drive for completely free. And the best part is that all you guys got to do is, if you want this coupon, all you got to do is you got to go to the description down below and sign up for Lyft with the link that I'm going to give you in the description down below, which is going to be the exact link right here. Keep in mind, you have to make an entirely new Lyft account for this to work, but if you do want to get 50% off of your next ride for the next 2 rides, this is the way that you do it. For me, what I'll do is I will just delete the app off my phone, I will reinstall it, and then I will get a new Lyft account and sign up with the exact same code again. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that in the description down below. So if you guys want to get 50% off of your next 2 Lyft rides, then make sure to go ahead and sign up for that so you don't miss out, because I know they're only going to have this available for limited time. So make sure before you do anything else, you go ahead and click on that link, sign up, and then you're all going to be good. The next thing I would recommend is actually going to be downloading CashApp. If you guys don't know what CashApp is the best way to be sending people money in 2024. I personally pay all kinds of people through CashApp. I pay editors through CashApp. I pay sponsors through CashApp. I pay my friends and family get from CashApp. I get paid for stuff through CashApp. CashApp is where to be if you want to be managing your money in 2024. Plus, they have a bunch of cool stuff like a 4.5% interest savings account, like the ability to invest in stocks, and the ability to get your paycheck 2 days early. Plus, you can file your taxes on CashApp for completely free, and you can buy Bitcoin as well. It's actually the easiest way to buy Bitcoin right now. So make sure you guys go ahead and download CashApp. And the best part is that if you guys download CashApp using my link down below, just like these hundreds of different people have, and you go ahead and send a friend $5, you will get a free $5 added to your CashApp account. But if you don't want to download it with the link, all you got to do is that after you've made a new CashApp account within about a week of making it, all you got to do is you got to go to the top right and scroll all the way down to where it says enter referral code, and then also go ahead and enter the referral code that I'm going to leave in the description as well. You will get a free $5 just for doing that, which is going to contribute to our Lyft credit, because like I said, we're going to try and make this ride completely free. So we will get a free $5 just for signing up for that. And another way we're going to save some money is by getting the cash card. As you guys can see right here, the cash card is a great way to go ahead and spend money, because they have all of these different instant savings offers, including 5% off of Lyft. So me personally, I use Apple Pay, and I hooked up my Cash App account to get a free 5% off of my Lyft ride. So this is how we're going to be getting 55% off of our Lyft ride. So instead of $5, it's now going to be $4. On top of that, there's a lot of different ways to save money using Cash App, using the Cash App debit card. As you guys can see right here, you can get 5% off of your Instacart order. You can also get 5% off of Panda Express, 5% off Chipotle, 5% off of Walgreens, 5% off of Wingstop, 2% off of Walmart. There's so many the offers right here, it's kind of unbelievable. So if you guys want to literally be getting completely free money and even 25% off of each in-app order with Temu. So if you guys want to be getting completely free money in 2024, I would highly recommend going ahead and downloading it. The next app you're going to want to download is going to be Adapole. Go ahead and download Adapole from the App Store or download it with my link down below. And then after you download Adapole, you're going to want to go to the right down here. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says enter referral code. After you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and enter this exact referral code, which is JCCGC. Once you enter that referral code, just like the over 800 different people right here, you will get a free 50 cents added to your account for completely free. But I'm not done yet. Is that if you go to the App Store and download Eureka, and then you go to the referral section and you go ahead and put in my referral code, which is 8UXHGY, you will get a free 25 cents and a $1 survey, which means that we have just made this Lyft ride to the airport for completely free because we can just take this money and cash it out with PayPal or a bank transfer. You can also deposit your money from Adapole into PayPal as well. And as you guys can see right here, I have deposited all my money into PayPal and it is 100% legit. So that all being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and you have learned how to score yourself some completely free Lyft rides in 2024. For me personally, when I went to Disneyland last year, I used this exact strategy and I got every single Lyft ride to my hotel, to Disneyland, to dinner with my friends for completely free. So if you guys want to get the exact same, make sure to follow all of these steps that I've given you today, with one final step being going ahead and hitting that subscribe button because I'm dropping nothing but value on this channel. Also, if you guys want to learn how to make an extra $2,000 to $5,000 this week with affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend joining my free Discord, which I'm going to include in the link down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.